Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The festive time of the year is here. Let's create this beautiful, simple, yet elegant Karwachauth look which you can rock in any of your desi outfit. Let's begin. So I have already prepped my face. I have already did my skincare and I have applied the primer. Now I'm going to apply the concealer wherever it is required, like under my eyes, my forehead, around my nose and around my mouth. I will keep it for roughly like 40 to 60 seconds. This will help you in getting that most buildable coverage. Now I will blend it with a brush. You can either use a beauty blender which is damp or your fingertips. Once the blending is done, to get that festive glow, I'm going to add the strobe cream which is from Dot & Key into my foundation. I'm using the LA Girl Pro foundation, just taking the one pump of it and then I'm adding the strobe cream to it. Mix it together well. I will apply it on my face in dots. And then by taking a flat kabuki brush, let's blend that foundation. Once it is done, I'm going to add this liquid blush to my face. It's very pigmented, that's why I'm taking a very mindful of amount. I've not even taken a pump. Let's blend that in to get that pinky glow. I will be applying highlighter on the high points. I'm not going to do any contouring because I want to keep it very simple. For the eye makeup, I'm going to prep my eyes. I will be applying the concealer. We'll blend it nicely. Once the blending is done, I'm going to apply the compact powder very lightly or any loose powder to avoid it from creasing. Let's do the very simple brown smoky eyes. For this, I'm using the brown pencil from Faces Canada. I will roughly draw a liner. It doesn't have to be very precise. I'm just roughly drawing it. And by taking a brush or a Q-tip, you can blend it. I'm taking it little upwards. I'm just not blending it over there. I'm taking enough time and blending it nicely. Once the blending is done, I'm going to take a bricky brown shade and will apply it all over my eyelids. Now I will apply a little bit of kohl on my waterline. And to finish my eye makeup, I'm going to apply the mascara. It's that simple. The Karwachauth look is never complete without a red lipstick. So I'm taking these beautiful red lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. Look at that gorgeous blood red color. Isn't it looking flattering? And to complete my look, I will apply a red bindi and sindoor. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked the video, please consider subscribing to my channel.